What is thermostat? Let's learn what thermostat is and what is it doing. You probably have taken off your thermostat off of the wall to take a look at it, or change out the batteries that is inside your thermostat. And then you saw a set of wire that is on the back of thermostat that is different color. Your thermostat is pretty much what is controlling your equipment. Each one of these color wires that is connected to your thermostat, they control in one part of the equipment. Either is your blower motor, is your compressor, or there is maybe a heater in here that it's controlling. Now we have a transformer inside the system. Either is in the outdoor unit or the indoor unit. A transformer power comes in through the red and common. It comes to your thermostat. Red is your 24-volt positive. C, or the common, is going to be your 24-volt negative. Green or G going to be your blower motor control. W or white going to be your heating control, and yellow or Y going to be your cooling control. Now, anytime thermostat needs to make a heating or cooling call, all it has to do is short out the red terminal to either one of these three terminals, and that's going to get you cooling or heating. For cooling, what your thermostat doing is shorting out the red to the Y and the G terminal, and that's going to bring on the outdoor unit and the indoor blower motor inside your furnace, and that's going to get you cooling. For the heating, your thermostat is going to short out the red to W and G. That's going to bring on the heater inside your furnace, and it's going to bring on the fan at the same time, so the heat is going to get distributed inside the house. And if you only want to run the blower motor only, your thermostat are going to short out the red to the G terminal. You can do the same thing pretty much with the jumper, a piece of wire or something. If you short out these three wires to each other, you're going to bring your cooling system on. You short out these three wires to each other, you're going to bring your heating system on. And if you do only R and G, you're only going to have a blower motor running inside your furnace. Okay, this is the same setup that we had it drawn on the whiteboard. As you can see, we have a transformer. Red wire only goes into thermostat. It's not going anywhere else. So we have one relay in here. The yellow wire is connected to it. So this is going to be representing our outdoor unit, our compressors. The green wire goes to that relay over there. That's going to represent our indoor blower motor. And white wire goes into that relay. So that one going to represent our heater. The blue wire, then it goes to all three relays. And to the thermostat, that's our common wire. So let's take a look together. We make a call for the fan only. So thermostat going to short out the red wire to the green wire, and it should bring our blower motor on. I installed the LED light just so you guys can see when the relay closes. So now blower motor is running. It's good to go. Now we're going to turn the fan off. By putting it on the automatic, that's going to stop the fan. And right as soon as it stops, now we're going to turn on our heating system. Temperature is already set for 85 now. Those two relays should be coming on. The thermostat should short out the red to the white and green. Now we have both of those relays running. Power is getting sent to the heater and the blower motor to run. Now if we turn it off, it should have stopped those two. It should disconnect the red wire from those two wires. So those relays gonna shut off. And if we send this to cooling, and we drop the temperature down. The thermostat should short out the red wire to the yellow wire and the green wire, so these two relays should come on. There you go. As you can see, this is pretty much thermostat is doing. It's controlling the red wire only, where the power goes, and wherever that power gets sent, that relay gonna get energized. I took the thermostat off, so we're gonna do that manually with just a jumper. We want to see how that works. So as you can see, under the thermostat, we have a red wire goes to the R terminal, W to the white, yellow to the Y terminal, green to the G, and of course the blue goes to the C. So we don't need a thermostat for operation. We don't need a battery for operation of the thermostat. Now, this is just a little piece of wire. So if we send the red wire to the white wire, that's going to energize this relay. If we send the red wire to the green wire, that's going to energize that relay. And if we send the red wire to the yellow wire, it's going to energize this relay. You see, this is something that you got to pay attention when you jump in the unit. If you don't make the connection on the first shot, that relay gonna go up and down so quick, and it's gonna send power every time that it goes down. It's gonna send the power, so you can damage a motor really quick when you do that. That's why it's better to shut the power down first, put the jumper on, and then turn the system back on so you can see what is it doing. If you have any question or comment, please put it down below. Thank you.